Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get contacts from Gmail to iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to add or import contacts from your Gmail to your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. In your settings, very first I recommend to try to update your software and also try to connect with a stable and strongest network connection to prevent any kind of issue. So go to software update, try to update your software, then go to VPN and device management and try to disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. After that, you can also try to connect with different stable and strongest network connection. Then go back and here go to apps section, select apps, look for contacts app here, select it, and here just select contacts account. And here you have to select your Gmail. If you have already added your account, so you have to select your Gmail account here. If it doesn't added that account, just have an add account option here. Then select Google. Then open browser here. Now you have to add your Gmail account here. You just have to log in with your account. And after logging in your Gmail account, you might see this type of interface. Your Gmail account will be added. That you have on your Gmail account here. And you just have to enable this contacts option to import your Google Contacts to your iPhone. Just enable this toggle and then enable, keep in my iPhone, enable this also. So once you have done, all of your contacts will be imported to your iPhone. So in this way, you can easily get or import all of your contacts from your Gmail to iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.